It's been a quick year for our long-term Infiniti G20t for touring sedan, and that in a way is very high praise for our smaller than usual, less powerful than usual luxury branded four-door. Indeed, while we think the compact-sized four-cylinder G20t is more of a Luxo commuter than mainstream sedan, it whiled away the miles with us in a carefree manner. That is, it made us carefree, since in 13 months and almost 15,000 stop-and-go miles, it never once caused us to pause for an unscheduled dealer visit. We also have to admit that once broken in, the 140-horsepower twin-cam 4 proved rather gutsy, even with an automatic transmission. It also proved to be quite frugal at an ever-rising 24.7 miles per gallon over our test. Not bad for any car that wears the luxury mantle. And indeed, we were pampered in the G20's understated but quite plush interior. It's a very fine small car and one we shall miss having on our daily grind. But to ease the pain, we traded up to this all-new midsize 2000 Infiniti i30t. Now far more than a fancy Nissan Maxima, the classy i30t just came through our normal test regimen, proving it is now a serious Lexus ES300 challenger. We'll see if we still think that a year from now. Next week, a car we always drive seriously, the Porsche 911, on Motorweek's next long-term road test update.